Good evening, everyone. What makes tonight even more special at the Family Cookout is that you're here. And we couldn't do this without you. We're so excited this evening, not only to sponsor and to advertise so many things that are happening in our system, but also to really celebrate and learn from each other and with each other. And I'm so excited tonight that we have Chef Maxine Knight. She's going to be coming and sharing her expertise as a chef. There's lots of opportunities around the room.
It's so good to be here as we celebrate Black History Month. We know that every month is Black History Month. And what I love is when we look around, we see so many different faces from different cultures. That's one of my happy places, is just being able to meet different people and just like share. And food is the best way for us to go ahead and do that. So I've been cooking for 25 years. So in that time that I've been cooking, I've worked in so many different environments. So I've worked in fine dining in the city here in Toronto. I've worked at a organic butcher shop. I've done raw vegan food. I've worked on resorts serving hundreds of people in the Caribbean. Right now, I'm actually, as I do these kind of engagements and events celebrating Black culture around food, I also work for a not-for-profit organization here in York Region. It's called the York Region Food Network. And it was when I was in that space that I really actually found my where I belong in food. All those other environments were great, and I learned so many different things. But it was when I started doing workshops and cooking with people in the community did my learning actually start to happen. So we're going to have our version of a street food festival. So we're going to move around. We're going to check things out. There's activities at each of the tables, some street food that we're going to be exploring today. So my cultural background is from Barbados. One of the things that I have grown up with forever is codfish fritters. Another thing that we have is corn soup. So we're going to have some Trinidadian style corn soup today. And the third thing that we're going to make today is we're going to have our patty making station. So we are going to make, well, this is a version. I call them Bayesian patties because I'm not Jamaican. Probably take about maybe 4 or 6 people at a time. So we have some cookbooks over here. Well, they're like Caribbean cookbooks. And what's nice about those, if you look through the pages, they actually have a lot of history as well. We have dominoes. If you're having a cookout, if you're having just people over, there's always a domino table and a whole bunch of people sitting around it. There's a map over there. I want to know where everyone is from. And we'll be really excited to see where everyone is coming from today. And then there's some puzzles and some other books and really fun stuff happening. Thank you so much for being here once again.